We've been in business 20 years. We've been building stilt homes for over 10 years. We're probably the largest production stilt home builder in the Houston area. People want to live near the water, and that's what we're doing. And to allow people to live near the water, we really need to build up out of the floodplain. In fact, we build them high enough that our flood insurance rates are often lower than traditional houses slab on grade. Stilt homes provide a number of advantages that normal houses do not. One is the space underneath the house. We concrete the entire space underneath the house, so it's great for not only parking cars, but also recreational vehicles, boats, four-wheelers, whatever toy you might have in mind. It also, we've had a number of people convert it into entertaining space. Put a bar down there and some chairs, a fire pit, have friends over. It's a great covered area to enjoy with your friends and family. Architecturally speaking, what it does is once you get up in the air, it gives you great views of whatever the surrounding area is. Oftentimes in our houses that includes a water feature, the beach or the Galveston Bay or the Seabrook Slough. It also allows for us to put windows on 3 or 4 sides of the house. We also have either 9 or 10 foot ceilings on the first floor, which allow, once again, more light in, as well as create kind of an open space. Our experience has been is people want to live where they can entertain casually and have friends over, kind of a very social environment. In general, what we're trying to present is a lifestyle that is relaxed, tropical, like you're on vacation every day. We hope you agree. We'd love for you to come see one of our stilt projects.